brothers, sisters, it's important that you set a goal and a destination for the day. You have to describe the process of steps you're going to take to accomplish a goal. It's important you write that out, as well as reenact it and enact it in a positive transaction to manifest the desired realities that you would like. Welcome back to the channel. It's Jake. Be sure to watch on fast speed, so change that speed to 1.5 and 2 because time is our most valuable resource. There's things we have to accomplish today, and there's things that we shouldn't do today. It's safe to say you better bet yourself that you do the right thing, because then there's no reason to worry about the wrong thing. We like to judge situations and things that happen as good and bad, but in reality, it's all somewhat of a neutral adventure towards the race of space. No, but you want to acquire more space. We all want to live in a big house. I'm going to live in a big mansion. I'm going to drive big cars, or small cars, but big cars. Big SUVs, electric SUVs, because I believe in saving the planet. We don't want to hurt the planet. We want to save the planet. So it's important that you guys look into other options. I know there's a lot of options right now hitting the market. Personally, around this city, town, I've been getting to see a lot of electric pickup trucks, as in the Rivian, which is so nice looking. The Rivian is coming out, the Lucid's coming out, and those are expensive trucks. They require a lot of capital. You're talking $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $90,000 for an electric pickup truck. But by golly, it is worth it, and you have to look at the return of investment. If you're going to drive 5 times more places, and then it's going to hold its value, you want something that is going to hold its value, then it's important that you do your own research, make your own opinions, and better to get, just buy that electric pickup truck. Buy that Tesla, because it's going to save the planet. We all want to move towards that end goal, like I say, a big house, nice cars, helping other people and helping those around you. There's so many people in your life who you would like to give back to. Take a second and think about it. Who are the first 3 people that come to mind when you think about who you would like to give to? Who would you like to share experiences? Reach out to those people today. Ask them how they're doing and what they're doing. Create a better future by altering the past and the current situation of where we live in. It's important that you alter the past in conjunction with what you are going to do during the day, and this requires gratefulness to accomplish what task is needed. You could put gratefulness as a label on people, or you can just put greatness as a positive manifestation of action words, and that's what I believe in. When you have the action words to support your cause, then you truly are going to be successful. So go out there. If you have the means, buy a big house. Do your research. Don't buy above market value, but buy a big house. Buy an electric pickup truck, and keep working, whether you're working online, in person, or an investor. That's what I'm going to get into. I'm going to get into investing, not with great amounts, but maybe you start with $100 on multiple investments. Hear me out for a minute. This could change your mindset and your aspect of what you should be doing. If you can change yourself by placing good investments on good companies that are going to grow in the future, then why not do it? Take, for example, you start with $2,000. That won't take too long to work up towards. Even if you're working a mediocre job, you take $2,000 and then you substantially increase the asset revenue by allowing the investment to mature. You've heard of a thing, compound interest, and treat it as if you have $100,000, but start with 100. Do not start with $100,000 because that would require an initial investment of $2 million. But see if you can turn the 2,000 into $2,800. That's a great number, $2,000 to $2,800. What would this require? This would require taking. This would require 8 of those stocks going up by 8%. This would require 1 stock going up by 80%, 2 stocks going up by 40%, 3 stocks going up by 20%, which can happen in a period of a couple months. And when you see those profits, take them and reinvest. Buy low, sell high. So buy the other stocks when they are sitting low with the money that you made when you are selling high. This is essential to building a substantial portfolio. I'm going to get into investing, and I'm going to be one of the greatest investors because I know companies that provide value to the marketplace. It's not so much of a complicated game, but it takes a lot of reading, attention, and focus to accomplish that asset that you're to acquire that asset that you're looking to accomplish as an investment ratio. So a lot of this information I'm giving you in this video, if you take it to heart and apply it to your life, it's going to bring upon great life changes for your circumstance wherever you are. It doesn't matter if you're starting from $20, from $20 million. These principles and assets will be applied, and they will allow you to successfully financially change the future of your generational wealth. You will apply an abundant stream of nature to alter and shift your consciousness into an abundance mindset. With this comes many riches, as we talk about in the video, and this is an example of how to get rich in the long run, and that's going to be the title of the video because I'm trying to teach you guys out here. If you apply the principles I talk about, you go electric, you buy a big house, you learn how to invest, you get a job, because it's all a return on your time. You put in the time now to enjoy later. So put in the time and go out there. If you don't have one, get a job. It's essential to get a job. How many times do I have to tell you guys that? If you're watching this and you don't have a job, get a job. Number 1. Learn to invest. Number 2, take care of yourself. That comes without saying. Watch my other videos on 2x speed for full benefits, and you too will learn the input to acquire the output, and you will enjoy your life and find many great riches and success through an abundant nature in accordance with to which we abundantly subscribe to this mass nurturing of planet Earth, and you are going to be on top. Why? Because you follow me, and we're taking it to the top, baby. So with that said, take it to the top. Don't stop till you reach the top. And be excellent. Thanks for watching this great material. Hope you guys learned something. Check out my other videos. Be excellent, Jake.